Hi, I'm Becca Kirkman and I created this course. I hope you enjoy it. With the new core, I was like, man, inquiry and project-based learning is so important. And what a better way than to take a professional development to help talk about it and to work through the process of that. I have taught Utah Studies for 11 years. I love teaching Utah Studies. I love seventh graders so much. I try to incorporate inquiry-based learning and project-based learning into my curriculum. It's good to know to start off slow and to collaborate as much as possible because it makes it so much easier. Some of the examples that I'll use throughout this course, I've done with collaboration with the people in my department or with people in various different schools. So collaborate as much as possible and makes the process go a lot smoother. Also know that it's not something that's going to be perfect all the time the first time. A lot of times it's a process and I get it to work great the first sometimes, and then with other groups of kids it does not go well. So just know that you kind of have to make some adjustments as you go along, and as long as once you get the framework in, it's so much easier. I love the learning that happens with this. Some of the examples that I'll share with you, my students have loved, and it's been so successful. And it's really made my school year so much more enjoyable. And it's great practice for the kids to really become historians and social scientists. So I hope you enjoy. Reach out to me if you have questions, you need more examples, anything that you need, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.